No. You get off that parking lot right now. Get off the parking lot. You're gonna get yourselves hurt. You get off that parking lot, you understand me? You're gonna get yourselves hurt. You're gonna get yourselves hurt, geese. You gotta get off the parking. Geese, you gotta get off the parking lot. Y'all are gonna get yourselves hurt. Come here. You gotta get off the parking lot. Y'all are gonna get yourselves hurt if you don't get away from the parking lot. Uh-oh, nope, you're not allowed to be in near the parking lot, geese. Come here, geese. I'm videoing you.
I'm starving.
I'm videoing you for a second.
Well, videoing. Let's go.
I'm gonna post y'all on YouTube.
She doesn't care.
Hey, Elise geese.